Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Notepad++ on your computer on Windows. So let's get started. Open this website, a link in the description. Just click on it, you will see this website. Okay, so we are going to download this. Just click on this green button, download latest version. Click on it, wait for 2-3 seconds, and this will pop up. Start download. Wait for a few seconds for downloading. When it's finished, okay, done. Just click on open. Yes, click OK, click next. I agree. You're gonna install this on your C drive, so no problem with it. Don't change it. If you want to change it, click on browse or do whatever you want to do. Click next. Create shortcut on desktop. Yes, I don't need this. No, I'm not gonna check it. Okay, so click on install. Run Notepad. Yes, finish. So this is it. This is only for programmers who make HTML, working on websites, on games. Only for those people. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a like and share this video with your friends, and I will see you in the next video.